Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Say what's up, guys. Hey, what do we have here? Mouse? Look at guys. This is Melody's first Lego set. Wait, it says Lego, yeah. What is it, mommies? Who's that?
Choo choo.
Oh, Choo Choo. It's a train, so she's calling it a Choo Choo. I think Melody's gonna like it, especially because it's got the little train and she likes playing with little cars. It's about 24 pieces, ages 2 through 5. They had another set with it was one of the princesses from Disney, but we didn't want that one because it didn't have any cars, and this one does. She's also been getting into Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
Okay.
What's up? Okay, what? Who is it? Tell them who it is. Who's this? Who's that? Huh?
Choo choo.
Choo Choo and this?
Yes, a Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, see guys, she knows. And this one? That's Mickey. And which one's this one? Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Yeah, it's toys. So, I think we're gonna get right into it, guys. Yeah?
Do it.
This is mine?
Yes.
Oh, mine? That's cool. Let's see if I can open it without scissors. And then with scissors. Yeah, now we're gonna need scissors. Shout out to Christian for giving me the scissors, because I didn't think I was gonna need them, but as you can see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh!
This is it.
Yeah? What's this? Oh, this is the first little train, the first little car. Oh, look! Oh, no way. So the reason, let me explain to you guys the reason why I bought her first Lego set. So, shout out to Uncle Juan that gave her some money to buy, pretty much just for her to enjoy. So with that, we bought this. So the reason why I got her this is because she goes and she takes away Uncle Isaiah's Legos, and he's got a whole grid. He's got a bunch of little cars and army men, and Melody likes to play with her uncle, so she plays those. But I'm like, you know what? I told Nani we should get her first set, and that way she has her set and she doesn't have to go and take away her uncle's. And then she tries to own him too, guys. Like, she'll actually get into it with her uncle and make him really mad. She's got a whole bunch of toys right now. Hey, you have Uncle's toys right now too, huh? In the room? You need to give them back because those are not yours. They're Isaiah's. Yeah? So yeah, pretty much, guys, this is why she got her set, and we'll see how this goes. So let's check this out. Open! Oh, what's this? Minnie Mouse's skirt. Yeah? You like it? You like it, mommies?
Huh?
Guys, Legos are expensive too, just an FYI. Alright. Oh, nice. Look at Mouse. This one's Minnie Mouse. So what do you guys think of her Minnie Mouse, guys? Check it out. Yay! Where's Mickey Mouse? Open it! Come on! Open that toy! Oh, me?
Me.
Okay, alright.
And then Mickey Mouse.
No, this one's Mickey Mouse.
No.
Check it out, guys. Ooh. This is mine. I like this one for me.
Yeah.
No, that's mine. Is yours or mine? No, that one's yours, no? No, this one too?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. And we got the instructions, or what is this? Oh, they got more sets. I'm gonna have to look at this box, guys, because I'll figure this out. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are enjoying this video, I know it's gonna be a little different, but give us some feedback. Give us some likes. How many likes, Melody? How many likes do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 7, 8, 9, 10 likes? Yes, 10. At least 10 likes, guys.
Oh,
At least 10 likes, guys, for Melody. She said 10, so be nice to her. Okay. Oh, look at this one. Let's see. How does this? Oh, so she goes on here. Look. Watch this. Oh, nice. Look. Cool.
nice.
Yeah, nice. 3, 2. Where's 5? 5. Oh, 4. 1, 4. They got numbers, mommy. Look. Yeah, this one. Where's 5? Oh, it's right here. 5. So she's got this. Oh, look at this. Wait. Let's see. It's gonna be like this. What the heck? Okay, this goes like this and the blue one. Okay, there we go. And then this one goes on top. Oh, number 2 has to go here. Where is it, baby? Oh, and this one goes in here. Where's number 2? So here we go. And then, what's this one for? This thing is going to be for... I'm not sure what this one goes to.
I think it's for this part.
Oh, there we go, for the train. So, okay. So we got this part of the train, this part of the train, which is going to be like this, and then, so the train's going to be here, and it's going to be on top of this one, this one's going to be right here. Oh, look, mommies, ooh, we're missing something, right? Aren't we? No, we're not.
You're missing the gold piece between.
It's gonna be for this one, yeah. So we're gonna have to. I guess it goes in here, but it feels a little loose. And then this piece is a little weird. It's supposed to stay on here. Ooh, pues. It's people with their cars. Oh, you know what? Might go. Oh no, what is this? I think this goes in here, yeah. Tampoco. You like it, Melody?
Yes.
Yeah? Where the balloons go? Oh, look at the balloons. She holds the balloons. Watch. Oh yeah. What the heck is this going here? Whoa, look it, she's got a balloon. You like balloons, huh? What's that? What's this? What's this? Melody, what is this? Look. Whoa, balloons. Well, thank you for taking away all that. And then this is going to be for...
Mommy, I play toys.
Oh yeah, toys. Look it. Check this out.
Mommy, I play
This is
toys.
for the candle right here for your cupcake. And there's your cupcake. For some reason, this cupcake doesn't hold. I see something. Choo choo. Cool. Yep. So that's pretty much it, guys. So you could just change this up however you want to change it. I'll put her back here because boys go in the front. Thank you. And wait, you guys can't even see this. Oops.
Oops.
Oopsie doopsie. Here we go. The cupcake's gonna be back here. So now we're gonna put this one. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Check that out. Oh. Melody, what'd you do? Let's see. There we go. Nice. Oh, look it. We can put this one right here. So you can pretty much move these wherever you want. Put this little guy, Mickey, like that. Minnie Mouse could go. Oops. Ooh. She took a hit right there. Minnie Mouse could be facing that way. And the cupcake goes here. But I'm still a little shocked that this doesn't have anywhere to go. I feel like I'm missing a piece. Oh, here. That's so weird. So this goes like this. Oh, I think I know why. I see. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's for that. Oh, this is what it's for, guys. I found out. There we go. That's it. Hey, I figured it out. Look, mummies. So technically, it should just be one. Oh, nice. Look it. The cupcake. What is that? Cupcake. Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Sing it, though. Sing it. Happy birthday to you. You're not going to sing? Sing it. Uh-oh. Construction. Uh-oh. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. What do you guys think? Look, pretty cool. Watch this. Let's figure this one out. See, I'm becoming an expert now. Check this out. Look at that, guys. Boom. It's got her little 3-piece.
Yay!
Yay! What do you think? Is this good like this? Woo! Look it. Woo! You like it? Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
Good job. You want to tell anything to our viewers? What do you want to tell them? Buy Legos? Tell them, go buy Legos. We love Legos, tell them. Yeah?
I'm happy.
Oh, you're helping? Alright guys, well I think this is going to wrap it up. Looks like Melody's going to be having a good time with this set of toys. And hopefully she doesn't bother her Uncle Isaiah for his Legos, huh? What are these, mommies? Look, Legos. Yay. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching, guys.
Bye, guys.
I'm going to have fun, tell them.
Have fun.
Yeah, you like your toys? You like it? Yeah? Toys?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos that we got coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.